If you want to put a pouch cell in your build, which is a good option, I'm going to show you how to do that now. When you do, it's not too much of a case mod, but what you want to do is take out this center part. See this part here, this middle sort of divide. So what I normally do is chop the side here, and then get your sort of like pliers. I like these quite wide, wide-nosed ones, and you kind of want to get it and then just twist it, because this kind of plastic is quite malleable, I suppose you'd call it. And you can just go along here now and just keep taking it off, nibbling it off. Just want to get your. It's just basically it affects the actual sort of case strength. You're just nibbling a little bit off at a time. As you can see, it's only like you're only taking a little bit off, just to give you that extra height, just so it all fit nicely together. And as you approach this to the side, just do the same. Just clip it, and then twist it off, twist it off, twist it off. We'll do that all the way along. You'll have something like this that your battery can nicely fit in. Look at that, perfect. And then wiring it up, we're just gonna pre-tin the wires, bent them over, make it easier for when we're soldering. So we're going to post them. Watch when you post them through this hole, you don't have to touch. And also, when you get these batteries, you'll probably have a connector on them like this. I think it goes on a drone. Don't just chop straight across, because you'll short them out. Just chop one at a time. But it's quite good that these are drone batteries, because they're quite easily accessible to get hold of. So right, we're going to get soldered now, and I've got like a nice L tip, I think it's called, or J tip, whatever you want to call it. And then we're going to have positive is on the right and negative is on the left. So you want to kind of get it in place. Of course, if you don't want to solder it to or you're not going to planning to put this header sort of design to use, you can just solder the wire straight to there, but it kind of makes it a bit harder to put together because you'll have to have longer wires. But this way you can just easily flop it about. And then once they're there, you kind of want to shove them down round, and it kind of pull them into the battery bay. Just make sure that your cover will what I've been doing is spray painting the inside of the cover white, and then it just hides it then. I haven't done on this one, but you can even leave it like that if you want it exposed, you know, no shame. And then you kind of put it together, and there you go. Let's take the SD card out and let's fire it up. That's it, done.